Hi everybody, my name is Jeff Lynch, the Food Service Director here at the Devereaux Glenholme School. Really excited for our summer session, which is now in progress. Having a great time grilling out with the kids, doing burgers, hot dogs, everybody's picnic favorites. Today we're doing sloppy joes with sour cream and cheddar cheese on the side. We're always offering fresh, local produce, delicious, nutritious, healthy meals, variety of tastes and palates. Every day there's an option, whether it's a sun butter and jelly sandwich or just some plain pasta for anybody who's not a fan of the main offerings. The beautiful picnic area that weather dependent, our students really love to enjoy, especially when we have those wonderful cookouts.